we've reached the point now where if you're doing this sort of job yourself, you will not make further progress without a meter. So I'm just going to have a quick word about meters. This is a modern digital meter, the kind you can buy from any electrical parts shop. This is a Maplin's one. Maplin's no longer with us, of course, but easily obtained from internet sources and high street electrical suppliers. All meters come with two test prods. The black one is the negative, red one positive. Make sure you connect them correctly. Why are they called multimeters? Well, they're called multimeters because they have a number of functions. They will check resistances, they will check voltages in direct current and voltages in alternating current, and also they will check amps in a circuit. That's all there is to say about them. Modern digital meters work in a different way to the old traditional meters, of which this is one. Avo, the Rolls-Royce of meters really, they're not uncommon, and to buy new are very expensive. You can still buy Avo meters. This is an old one. This is an old one, Model 7, and these have been kicking around for decades and decades. This was the Rolls-Royce of meters that anyone in the electrical trade in those days would have aspired to having, and the same measurements are available. Of course, the very name Avo stands for amps, volts and ohms. That's where the name comes from. There's also provision here for measuring capacitance and to use it as a power meter too. So there it is. Now actually these are much nicer to use with old equipment, and you'll see why. But when we start doing the electrical tests, I'll sort of perhaps use the 2 meters to compare how they operate, so that you'll get a sense of it. And should you want to get more involved with electrical repair work, it's worth looking out for one of these. Plenty of them available for sale on the internet.